There are some things in life we're compelled to do. Which is why we made the new Cayenne GTS. Built by people with a passion for racing. For people with a passion for sport. The new Cayenne GTS is purpose-built for the road. From its elegantly streamlined exterior design to its phenomenal engine performance. The front and rear sections have been aerodynamically refined. Large air intakes ensure optimum cooling. Its style is enhanced with a range of special standard features, including color-coded lower moldings at the front, side, and rear, a monochrome black exterior package, and 21-inch Cayenne sport wheels. A larger roof spoiler with fixed biplane wing profiles is available as a no-cost option. Design and acoustics are both enhanced by the standard sports exhaust system with chrome-plated dual-tube tailpipes. Enriching the powerful engine sound. The new Cayenne GTS has an uprated 4.8-liter naturally aspirated V8 engine. The air intake system has been specially modified, combining increased performance with maximum efficiency. The results: 298 kilowatts, 405 brake horsepower at 6,500 RPM, plus maximum torque of 500 Newton meters at 3,500 RPM. Push the standard sport button and the engine becomes even more responsive. Porsche Active Suspension Management, PASM, is also adapted for optimum road performance. Thanks to VarioCam Plus and direct fuel injection, the engine is not only extremely powerful, it is also extremely efficient. Drive is transmitted through a sport-style 6-speed manual gearbox. A shorter final drive enables faster acceleration. The new Cayenne GTS requires just 6.1 seconds to reach 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour. Maximum speed is 157 miles per hour, 253 kilometers per hour. The chassis is designed to apply that power with optimum precision and efficiency. The suspension is lowered by 24 millimeters for a more stable and agile ride. The 21-inch Cayenne sport wheels provide accuracy when steering and stability when quartering at speed. Another special standard feature on the new Cayenne GTS is Porsche Active Suspension Management, PASM, combined with steel spring suspension. The benefits are lighter weight and a perfect road setup, whatever the road conditions. The optional air suspension can also be augmented with Porsche Dynamic Chassis Control, PDCC, an active anti-roll system. Significantly reducing lateral body movement, it greatly enhances cornering control. Drive is distributed through an intelligent all-wheel drive system featuring Porsche Traction Management, PTM. Equally important are the car's active and passive safety features. Standard equipment includes full-size front airbags for the driver and front passenger. The side impact protection system includes front thorax airbags as well as curtain head airbags covering both rows of seats. Porsche Stability Management, PSM, and a powerful braking system also contribute to exceptional active safety. The brake calipers have a red paint finish. The interior shares the same sporting style in every feature and detail. The steering wheel is specially upholstered for optimum grip. The new Cayenne GTS is exclusively equipped with sport seats front and rear. They offer excellent lateral support, however you like to drive, as well as exceptional comfort. The seat centers, roof lining, and a range of other surfaces are finished in Alcantara. Our racing heritage is also reflected in the aluminum interior trim. Follow your desire, like we followed ours when we originally conceived this idea. Going closer to the limit, closer to our roots, even closer to the racing line. Streetwise. The new Cayenne GTS.